So once a return is submitted, and a taxpayer is concerned that probably the return is not being processed, or if a taxpayer is worried that if there is any deficiency in the return that he had filed, what is the way out of this?
If you are filing the return online, then the submit button is there. You submit the return and then you verify the return. If you have prepared the return offline, then you can come to the portal and then you can just submit the what is called a JSON file online. Or there is a feature from the offline utility itself, you can log into the portal. There is a functionality for login and then you can submit the return. Now, if you look at it from a validation perspective, most of the validations are inbuilt into the return itself. So you would have seen in many cases taxpayers may have observed that if they have left something incomplete at the time of completion of the return, there will be some error messages that will come. It will say that you have left out this part or some part is incomplete. The feature that we have given is that if you click on that, it will take you to the place where the mistake has happened. It is something which is left incomplete. Clicking on that error message itself will take you there. So once you have completed, you can go back to the verification and complete the process. Now, if supposing you have missed all this and then you try to upload your return, then it will throw up an error. You will have to complete all the errors, then only the return gets successfully submitted. Right. The question that you are asking is that if supposing after this during processing you find out that you have missed out something and you expected a refund and you didn't get a refund and there was something else that came in, then you have two things. One is that you can check whether you made a mistake in the return. And more often than not, what we have seen is that there are data entry errors that have been made. You can correct it and then you can submit a revised return if you have time available. A time available for filing a revised return is till March 31st, 2022, or you can submit a rectification claim. So there are two ways of rectifying a mistake.
Okay.
दोस्तों, ये मेरी 7 किताब है जो कि amazon.com पर पब्लिश है। आप इसे डाउनलोड करके पढ़ सकते हैं। इन किताबों के लिंक्स इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए हैं। इन 7 किताबों में से 5 किताब मनी मैनेजमेंट पर है, यानी पैसा निवेश करके अधिक पैसा कैसे कमाएं पर आधारित है।